Understanding, this is too small, in English. Hello, everyone. Today's video is all about a common English phrase, this is too small. We'll explore what it means, how to use it in different contexts, and some variations you might hear. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to polish your English, this video is for you. When someone says, "This is too small," they are expressing that something is not large enough for a particular purpose or need. It's a simple phrase, but it can be used in various contexts. For example, if you're trying on a shirt and it doesn't fit, you might say, "This shirt is too small." 1. Clothing and sizes. When shopping or trying on clothes, this phrase is commonly used to indicate that the item doesn't fit properly. 2. Spaces and accommodations. It can also refer to physical spaces like rooms or apartments. For instance, this room is too small for a party. 3. Quantities and measurements. The phrase can apply to quantities or measurements, like in cooking or when allocating resources. E.g., this cup is too small for the amount of coffee I need. 1. Synonyms. Similar phrases include, not big enough, or insufficiently sized. 2. Opposite phrase. The opposite of this is too small is this is too big, or this is large enough. 3. Adding reasons. Often, people add a reason after the phrase, like, this is too small because I can't move freely in it. Let's practice. I'll give some scenarios, and you can think about how to use this is too small in each. 1. You're buying a new phone case, but it doesn't fit your phone. 2. You're cooking and realize the pot you're using is not big enough for the soup. 3. You're packing a suitcase and it can't hold all your clothes. Think about how you'd use this is too small in these situations. I hope this video helps you understand and use this is too small effectively in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily life. If you have any questions or need more examples, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.